Hello, my friends. This is Twizz the Clown. Yeah, and why are we here today? It's because I'm going to give you a little clown shoe hack. If you put your feet into this, yeah, it works. It's no problem. But if you're going to walk for hours, I did walk like 10 hours at Halloween. I did shows, so I was dancing, jumping, walking, standing a lot. So I don't get sore feet. I had a pair of old shoes. I took the rubber bottom away and I squeeze this inside the shoe and I have a super perfect fit. Yeah, that's why I could walk so many hours. Was like walking in ordinary shoes, a little bit heavier of course, but yeah. So if you like this hack, if you're having clown shoes or are going to buy one, this is a good hack to get a perfect fit. Yeah, so if you are a clown or not, do this because maybe you're a cool person, just wanna walk around with clown shoes even if you're not a clown. Yeah, so if you're a clown and have a funny joke, put it in the comments. So, and tell me if you tried this and it worked for you too. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.